And that makes it, yes, in my opinion, quite unique that it integrates directly into Microsoft Teams. Yes, without any, custom-made links or external connections being placed in between. And that just makes it very straightforward.
And is a disadvantage of those intermediate solutions then? Complexity or stability, or how do you see that?
Well, it naturally introduces risks to the stability. Yes, the more moving parts there are, the greater the chance of problems. But also with the administration, I've seen solutions where we indeed have to create users in 3 or 4 different places.
So, right, so you have a rapidly changing organization, you want to be fast and flexible. So in that context, how do you view the pricing of our platform?
Yes, that's of course on a per queue basis. Yes, and that suits us very well. And expanding on that is also quick to achieve.
And that actually makes it easier for you because you're less dependent on people needing a specific license. You just have a queue, people are assigned to it, and the fact that those people change has less of an impact on your operations.
Yes, correct. So that makes it, just very simple, and indeed a very simple licensing model, one that we have very little need to modify.
You, of course, mentioned at the beginning what Mosaic World is and how many locations you have and how many countries. Can you briefly describe how Roger 365 is currently being used? Attendant, contact center, how many people use it? Which integrations do you have? That sort of thing.
Yes, we have I'll start with the integration. We do have an integration from our ERP package. So the information that's available that we have internally on our tenants pops up directly on the screen for the employees. From the Roger side of things, it's about 25 employees who make use of it. Yes, so we basically have a flow for each entity with a queue, and that's also set up per country.